Don't waste your money on 11 Labs text-to-speech. Finally, I got the alternative AI tool, which is really impressive. And not only that, it's a complete software to generate scripts, text-to-speech, and edit your video. You can generate auto captions, also can use stock images and videos while editing. We can say, this tool is all-in-one for creators. So let's explore it. First, go to this website. Link is in my video description. Here you can see the download option. Click here to download. After downloading, install it. Now you can see this dashboard. You can see many features of this tool, like screen recorder, AI video generator, AI copywriting, video and audio downloader. Basically, we focus on text-to-speech. So let's test it, how it works. So first, we need a script to make speech. So first, we're going to make our script from copywriting tool. Click on AI copywriting. Now here you can see a prompt box. It has some tone like movies style, commercial style, relationship. You can choose as your need. I choose the relationship and give a prompt. 5 tricks to make happy relationship. Here you can choose languages, which is very good feature. Now let's generate. So we got our script. Now copy it and see how the text-to-speech tool works. So I paste here my script, and here you find many voice available, man and woman both, and also get tone of speech like angry, chatting, excited, and more. So let's hear the voice.
HitPaw Edimaker is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimaker is a popular video editing software.
HitPaw Edimaker is a popular video editing software.
HitPaw Edimaker is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimaker is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
These voices are really cool and realistic. I hope you like it. So I choose this voice named Sarah. Our voice is ready. Now you can add it to timeline. Just click on it. So the voice is completely ready in our editing timeline.
Narrator. In today's video, we're going to share 5 tricks to help you build a happy and fulfilling relationship with your partner. Trick 1. Communication.
Now we have to just put some footage or videos to make with some editing. Basically, I made this video to show you text-to-speech, but I will show you some amazing features of this software in fast way. Let me show you amazing editing features of this tool. Here you can see My Media, where you can import your photos or videos from your PC. Like this.
Narrator. In today's video.
And here you can also use stock footages and videos. Look here, you can access Pixabay, where many HD 4K videos are available, and Unsplash. Here you can find premium stock images. You can simply drag and drop it in timeline. Let me show you some editing features of this tool. Here you get many sound effects, background music, etc. And you can add text with different styles. You can see many styles. Also here you can use animated stickers. Look, different types of stickers according to your video. And you can use transition for your video. Just drag and drop, and it will work automatically. Filters are also available here for your use, and see effects to make your video engaging. And last one is auto subtitle. You can generate auto captions for your video. And here you can see export option. You can export it in 4K. So this is HitPaw Edimaker. Really awesome tool. Best thing you find text-to-speech. So go and check it out. Link is in my description. And subscribe for more AI tools.